Hey, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Welcome to a House of Hilfiger video. If you're new, my name is George 𝗧𝗏. I'm a Tommy Hilfiger enthusiast. I collect vintage Tommy, archives, limited edition, capsule Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy jeans. I walked the 2022 Tommy Hilfiger fall fashion show. I am quite the Tommy connoisseur, I guess you want to call it. I don't know. Either way, I'm a huge fan of Tommy Hilfiger. And I have quite the honor today of opening this big giant box right here full of Tommy Hilfiger goodies. Tommy was kind enough to send this my way, and it has been a moment since I received a gift from Tommy. So I'm super excited and, like I said, honored. Anytime Tommy sends something my way, it's just something that I'm looking forward to add to my collection and say, hey, that's actually from the team, and it means the world to me. So I honestly have absolutely no idea what is in this box, guys. This is gonna be a first impression together, but I'm not only going to unbox this, whatever is in here, I'm gonna try on and do a little lookbook for you, so we're gonna have some fun. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Hold that thought. I need to share with you guys my outfit, okay? Because I curated this Tommy Hilfiger look for this video, and I absolutely am obsessed. It's like a great type of spring look because it's not too warm out yet and it's not, freezing. So I have on this beautiful Tommy Hilfiger cardigan, and I like how it's Scotch tape looking with these TH monograms everywhere in this cool yellow shade. And I threw on these slacks with these Tommy Hilfiger loafers, which by the way are absolutely beautiful, and they kind of make the outfit pop because the color is quite different. Oh, a little loud. And I wore these during New York Fashion Week when I walked for Tommy, so every time I wear them they kind of just make me think of that moment, which is one of the best days of my life, honestly. I'm a little nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous right now to film this video, but it's been a moment, and I have all the feels, guys. I love Tommy Hilfiger, and like I said, it's been a moment since anything was sent my way, so this is kind of just a nice little care package, I suppose is what we want to call it. So, and I have not been feeling the greatest. I've been my sinuses have been a mess with the change of seasons, so this is bringing the spirits up. So this box is huge. I was not expecting this when this arrived. I was like, what the heck? That is massive. So here we go. What? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? That is so cool. This is gonna look so amazing in my closet. All right, this is awesome. Oh my God, it's soft too. This is a soft box. What the heck? It is so heavy. Oh my God. Are we seeing this? That is phenomenal. All right, so let's open this up. Wow. I am so happy right now. There's a little letter here. That is so cool. It's stamped on. This is the type of stuff that literally I cherish. This is phenomenal. Let me take a look at this. I don't want to rip it because I'm gonna save it. That is so cool. That is honestly amazing. So we have a pin. For what I'm getting out of this is a part of the Tommy Jeans International Games collection, which is a new capsule and campaign. So excited. And a handwritten letter, which is amazing. On a Tommy postage. How freaking cool. All right, I'm gonna leave this to myself because this is more on the personal side. So that is for me to take in later on, and on days when I'm feeling all right, you're doing all this hard work in the fashion industry and not receiving any recognition, but hey, Tommy Hilfiger knows who I am. And that's really one of the biggest flexes and an honor. So absolutely love this. So on the inside, you guys, there's so much. I did not see this coming, so thank you so much, Tommy team. This is incredible. We have, oh my God, looks like, oh my goodness, it's cropped. Are you kidding me? I am honestly gonna rock this so well. It's giving 70s vibes, right? Look at the beautiful stripes. It's like a pink and a red. Oh my god. And the T for the Tommy, that is so sick. I am obsessed. How should I go about doing this? Should I try on as I pull things out? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay, I am kind of obsessed with the fit of this cropped sweater. I mean, it is the perfect length. Are you kidding me? I feel like this length is very underrated for men. Like, it just hits the top of the trousers. Obviously, if you lift up, you're gonna see a little bit of midriff, but ultimately, like, this is such a vibe. And it's kind of sporty, but also at the same time, it gives like vintage, kind of like yuppie vibes in a way. This color though, this pink and this red, I never would have thought to like put these together other than Valentine's Day, and I'm kind of living for it. Oh wait, there's more, there's more. I'm shook right now. We have, looks like a polo. I love this color. So aside from the collection of the international games, Kendall Jenner has been a Tommy Hilfiger it girl, and she has her Kendall Edit, which just kind of reminds me of stuff from that collection. I love this cream. This is absolutely beautiful. And just the simple little Tommy logo right there. You know what I mean? This is such a gorgeous piece. It's cream all around. We have a size medium in both of these pieces so far. I'm really trying my best not to make a mess out of my hair during this try-on sesh, but how gorgeous is this shade? So this cream to me is just timeless. I mean, actually, I kind of love it with khaki. How I would probably wear this though, I mean, like, this out is how most guys would wear their polos. Just, you know, like this. But for me, I think I would tuck it in. I feel like I tuck in almost everything anymore, but to me, if it's tucked in, it just looks so much more classy. And I don't know why it took me up until like the most recent year or two to discover that, but yeah, this tucked in. Both ways, out or in, look good, but I think this is more my vibe. I'm dying to check out whatever this blue piece is right here, and looks like this is another polo. Love. This color is one of my favorites. I mean, it might be because I have blue eyes, but also I feel like for the summer, this is just gonna be gorgeous with a tan, and it's classic. I mean, you can really do so much with just a basic polo, and this, there's variations of how I can style this, and I love that. I love this color. This blue is literally one of my favorite shades of the color spectrum. I love the fit. There's something about the way that these Tommy Hilfiger polos fit that is just, honestly, it's perfection. And even if it's out, it doesn't look sloppy or slouchy. Like, again, I like to tuck my stuff in, but this is kind of, I don't know, maybe it's a me problem. I think if I tuck this color polo in, I might look like a Walmart employee. I think they may have sent me two of the same polo. So I have two of these blue polos, which, by the way, my husband will look just as amazing as I do in this, if not even better. His like complexion with blue is phenomenal. So thank you, Tommy, for the gift for Gustavo. I appreciate it. Well, yes, they are both the exact same. Okay, so how did I like check? I was like, wait, am I going crazy? But cool. All right. I'm so happy right now because there is stuff in here from multiple of the collections that are going on, and this is from, looks like the DJ Khaled collection. I believe it says "We the Best," and I'm pretty sure that's what this is in partnership of. That is so sick. Do you see that? I'm also loving the Tommy logo, how like embraced it is. It's quite huge. And this is a size medium. Okay, this is big for a medium, isn't it? Either way, I'm probably gonna end up like tucking this in, and a loose top with some nice comfortable slacks is a very elegant look, so I cannot wait to put this together. This is definitely a really cool color combination. I'm liking the emerald green, the red, and the navy. Also, I love how embraced the Tommy Hilfiger logo is right here on the heart. That is like chef's kiss. Now, the fit is different than the other Tommy Hilfiger polos that I own, but it is a really cool looking polo, I must say. I know I said I might tuck this piece in, but I think since it is on the oversized side, maybe it's cool left out and just more on like the casual type of aesthetic. I nearly just screamed. We have Tommy Hilfiger golf balls. Tommy golf balls. I most definitely will not be using these. These are going to be saved within my archive of Tommy, but they're Titleist, which is a great ball. I golf with my dad, and I know for sure that these would be amazing, but these are precious, okay? Things that are outside the box, Tommy Hilfiger related, of course we appreciate the Tommy fashion and the articles, but just like random stuff like this is so cool, and I love. There's more, there is more. I'm shook, I was not expecting all this in this box, you guys. This was like gravitating towards me right when I immediately saw the color. Look how beautiful this is. It looks vintage. This looks like a vintage piece. I love the cream, the stripes. It says Hilfiger, New York right there on the chest. Very beautiful. I'm not sure if this is from anything in particular or just from the sustainable line. Yeah, from Make It Possible, which I love that I have pieces from the original Make It Possible campaign. That is an honor of mine. But how cool is this? No, this is a size small, and this honestly fits amazing. I was not expecting to fit this well. It's probably just because of the way the shirt is designed, this polo, but it's most definitely more on the flowy side, so I think that's why the small works for me. I absolutely love this. Check that out, the Hilfiger New York, just the stripes. Like, this looks like such a luxurious Tommy piece. Like, this is not your average Tommy Hilfiger polo, and again, I feel like you could kind of dress up almost any article or dress down. Whatever type of vibe you want to bring to a fit, you can do it as long as you incorporate certain type of elements, such as like a flashy necklace or, you know, slacks, anything, loafers. I mean, you could dress this down to wearing sneakers and jeans, but I feel like just having on these elements really dress up the fit. You know what I mean? And make this polo, which could be casual, more on the, dare I say, sophisticated side. I think we have a finale. I think there's a finale here, guys, and it might be this jacket. I'm gonna guess this is a jacket, which looks so cool. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. That is sick. Look at the tee. It's a patch. I'm loving the white sleeves and the cuff right there that matches so well with the whole aesthetic of the jacket. It's very varsity. Looks like this is a size medium, perfect. I'm so excited. And it's kind of like a windbreaker-esque material. So it looks like it has some, you know, warmth to it, but it's not gonna be too heavy for the spring, so it's perfect. So I never owned a Letterman style jacket. I think this is more on the bomber side, but I am so excited to be adding a piece like this to my collection. Not only a first for the style, but also it's Tommy Hilfiger, so that's just incredible. Oh, that is so sick. Okay, this is actually a fit all on its own. I love, oh my goodness, the medium fits so good, and I feel like this just, it's my favorite piece. I think it's my favorite piece from the unboxing, honestly. I mean, the golf balls, of course, but this is just so cool. I lied. There's the one little hidden gem right here that I didn't see before, and it looks like it's a long sleeve. It's a sweater in a slate blue. Okay, this is perfection. This is one of my favorite colors, and I love it. This looks a little tiny. What size are we? This is a medium, okay. I knew I would love this sweater. How perfect does this look? And actually, now that I see it, I feel like the medium is like the perfect size for me. You know, I wouldn't want this to be too big. It might look sloppy. The medium, this looks so rich. I love it. And then we have the box. I mean, this box alone, how freaking cool. I mean, is this my favorite thing out of all of this? It's the letter. It's actually the letter from the team. Just being like recognized by Tommy Hilfiger and his team means the world to me. As a collector and somebody that really does appreciate fashion and how iconic Tommy is for the American industry of fashion and art, means like a lot. So I am so proud to be adding these pieces to my collection and to be sharing this experience with you guys. Again, if you're new, I've been collecting Tommy for years. I have an entire archive here on my channel of sharing my vintage collection and unboxing new capsules and you name it. I share a lot of my Tommy Hilfiger stuff with you guys for years. So it's really cool to continue this journey, and I have a lot of things on my sleeves for this year, Tommy related, so I'm super excited to share that with you all. And if you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe. I would love your company. Again, if you love Tommy Hilfiger, this is your #1 resource, as well as the House of the Figure, which is my Instagram page. I'll link that down below. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.